Hi folks, and welcome to Schick Happens. Happy Friday, and I hope you're gearing up for the celebration of America with this long weekend ahead of us. This will probably be one of the shortest vlogs that I ever do, but I did want to get something posted here for Friday just to say happy birthday America. Now here in a couple hours, my buddy Dana from FCP Fishing is going to be showing up. We're going to spend the weekend together, and I'm hoping we're going to do a lot of filming. His channel is all fishing, but I think this weekend we're going to get outside of the box a little bit. Now I don't know how much of this is going to appear on Schick Happens, his channel, or a couple of my other channels, but we're definitely going to do some filming, and it's not going to be all fishing. I am in the lean-to here. My buddy Matt, who we call the Gnome, came up last weekend, and we really got a lot done on this. We got the roof on, we got the siding on. That's what I wanted to accomplish last weekend, and we made it happen. A lot of things I still need to do. I probably need to close that top up. Out here I need to get some soffit and fascia, but well, and again, I got to frame this up to get some kind of bay door here at the end for the Kubota, but I'm happy with everything we got done, and as far as I'm concerned, I can just pick at this now at my leisure over the next couple months. But anyway, again, I wanted to wish everyone a happy 4th of July, birthday of our country, Independence Day. I know in today's culture and society, there's a lot of son of a bitches that take advantage of our freedom of speech to put down this country. Pisses me off. But anyway, enjoy the weekend, and I will probably catch up to you again Tuesday here on Schick Happens. Until next time, cheers.